2004 Suzuki GSX-R 1000. Runs and drives. Matt Aladdin edition. No problems whatsoever with this engine. Clean. Had an oil change about 500 miles ago. Right back to idle. Beautiful. We got videos of this running. Goes through all gears. No problems whatsoever. We're going to be posting this engine up later on eBay. Asking $2,000 cash. Or we can have this shipped to you anywhere in the continental U.S. Give us a call back here at 407-227-1313. Moto One Source.